Welcome to a new fMRI tutorial series on AFNI, the Analysis of Functional NeuroImages package. First created by Bob Cox back in the mid-1990s, AFNI has been maintained and developed by a team of scientists at the National Institutes of Health beginning in 2001. Since then, they've added several new features such as linear mixed effects models and surface-based analysis. In this course, you'll learn the basics of AFNI by analyzing a simple fMRI dataset. Then, we'll analyze the same dataset on the cortical surface and examine what advantages we can gain in both statistical power and spatial localization. At this point, you may wonder, why AFNI? Why not one of the other analysis packages, such as FSL or SPM? Ultimately, the decision is up to you, and you'll need to consider many things, such as your operating system and whether your lab prefers one package over another. In any case, AFNI has several unique advantages. One, it's fast. AFNI is able to do many processing steps very quickly and especially effective at quickly estimating models. Two, it's flexible. Each of the major packages offers some degree of flexibility, but in my experience, AFNI's code is the most transparent and customizable. Third, AFNI provides excellent support for its users. The developers are responsive to emails and quick to implement new changes, with new updates being released as needed. The AFNI website also features their world-famous message board, which makes it easy to look up topics or questions. The layout also clearly distinguishes separate threads and clarifies which message is in response to other messages. On the other hand, AFNI does have disadvantages that you should be aware of. First, it can be difficult to learn for newcomers. This has been enough to discourage many people from attempting to learn AFNI, as it requires some fluency with Unix and with programming. Their graphical user interface has also been compared to an airplane cockpit. But if you're willing to face those obstacles, you will be rewarded with an fMRI analysis package that is fast, flexible, and customizable. They also have an odd sense of humor that you may find endearing, or not. So how do you get AFNI? They have a detailed set of instructions on their webpage, and the link is in the text box below. On the other hand, if you're using a Macintosh, you're in luck. You can simply download and run this installer here. Simply double-click on it, and then it will open up. Leaving all the default boxes selected, it will check whether the prerequisite packages are installed, such as Xcode and Homebrew, and then it will install everything. It may ask you for your password in order to install all of the packages. It can take around an hour to install everything, so be patient. To see whether it installed successfully, open a new terminal, type AFNI, and then press return. You should see the graphical user interface open up. Close it, and from the same terminal, we'll type ubersubject.py and then press return. This will indicate whether the Python-based programs are running without errors. And that's it. You're now ready to download a real dataset and analyze it with AFNI, which is what we now turn to.